Hey beauty lovers! Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're looking for a skincare product that's simple but effective, today's review might be right up your alley. We're talking about Foods Solutions Vegetable Glycerin, 100% pure, versatile, and packed in a 16-ounce bottle. It's marketed as a skin softener and moisturizer, but let's see if it really lives up to the hype. This product is 100% pure, non-GMO, and gluten-free, which might make it appealing to those who prioritize clean ingredients in their skincare routine. Vegetable glycerin is well known for its humectant properties, meaning it helps attract moisture from the air to your skin, keeping it hydrated and soft. Now, how did it perform in real life? I've been using it in my routine for a few days, and it's honestly been a game changer. It's clear, thick, and has a slight sweetness to its scent. Not overpowering at all, so it won't interfere with your other products. I've tried it both as a moisturizer and mixed it with my DIY face masks, and it truly delivers in terms of hydration. My skin feels soft and plump after using it, and I've noticed that it works well to lock in moisture, especially during the drier months. I also applied it to dry spots on my elbows and knees, and it helped smooth them out without feeling greasy or heavy. As a versatile ingredient, it's easy to mix into a variety of DIY skincare recipes. Whether you're making a simple homemade moisturizer, lip balm, or even a bath soak. So let's dive into the pros and cons. First, the pros. It's super affordable for the amount you get, and considering its versatility, the price is justified. It's non-GMO and gluten-free, which is important for those with sensitivities. The texture is silky and it absorbs quickly without leaving any sticky residue, which is a big win for me. As for cons, it's pretty basic. If you're looking for a fancy skincare product with tons of active ingredients, this may not be it. It's not going to give you an instant glow or treat acne. But for what it is, a simple, clean, moisturizing ingredient, it's hard to fault. Is it worth the money? Absolutely, if you're someone who loves multi-purpose, straightforward products that work. It's a great addition to your skincare arsenal, and since it's so affordable, you really can't go wrong. For anyone with sensitive skin, or those looking for something to boost their hydration routine, it's a solid option. Plus, it's a great base for custom skincare recipes. Now, comparing it to similar products, there are other glycerin-based products out there, but I find Foods version to be one of the most affordable, especially when you consider that it's free from any artificial additives or preservatives. It's clean, pure, and does exactly what it claims to do. As for packaging, the 16-ounce bottle is decent, but be careful, it doesn't come with a pump, so you might want to decant it into a container with one for ease of use. The quality of the glycerin itself is great, but a pump would have been a nice touch. I haven't needed to contact customer support, but Foods has a solid reputation for responsive service, so if you run into any issues, it's likely to be handled well. There haven't been any updates or reformulations for this product, so what you see is what you get. If you're looking for alternatives, some brands offer glycerin in smaller quantities or mixed with other ingredients. But if you're after the purest form without breaking the bank, this one does the job. Overall, Foods Vegetable Glycerin is a simple but effective product. It's not flashy, but it's perfect for anyone who wants to keep their skin hydrated without any fuss. I'd recommend it to anyone looking to hydrate dry skin or incorporate a versatile ingredient into their DIY skincare projects. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear how it's worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.